Yo, I gotta say, bruh, this entire performance, bro, it's lit. Hola, hi everyone. I hope everyone is having a fantastic weekend. Okay, so guys, we're gonna react to Be First. Like, this is a mainstream live performance, and this is live in Dome 2024. But the thing is, I'm just getting the chance to check out this live performance, which was done like 2 days ago, the time when this video is being recorded. But guys, I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. And one question: do anyone who is watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments. And let's see what the Be First performance is like in Dome at this point in 2024. Live in Dome 2024. Masterplan, Mainstream. My G's. B.
알아서 기분 나이로서 텐트 조조카라 조카라 숭숭숭 So you don't listen to Mainstream
To be honest, I do not know this song. I have to go check it out soon, bro. But this song seems so cool. It sounds so cool, bro. To be honest.
Let's
Yo, I gotta say, mwah, this entire performance, bro. It's lit. It's dope. It's energetic. They are some superstar, bro. They are like some walking superstar. Performance, it's lit.
諦めない共に進もう信じ Everybody say 君のため送るこのメロディー Good place また続いてストーリー止めないで Good place 黒い君をかけて朝深い友とへ動いた想い抱きしめてまだ見る世界へ
Yes, yes, this is a very great, exceeding performance. Beautiful performance, I ain't gonna lie. Beautiful performance, bro. Excellent performance by the Be First. I love their music, I love the performances. Everything is just so lit at this point. Trust me.
あと少しはどこでも足跡の数もわかろう今日が奇跡と呼ばれる日まで
Yo, the crowd, it's immense. The crowd's reaction is crazy. Yo, tons of people, bro. Yo, the vocals, it's crazy over here. It's crazy over here. I'm loving the performances. Everything, it's so amazing. It's like I'm there at the literal performance, bro. That was good, bro. That was good. That was good.
そんなスカイハイさんと関わってくださ
I
い
love this, bro. I love
に
this.
捧げます。
Bro, they are really jovial people. Trust me.
We go! Party night for the show! Let's get started! We lost the party! BBF! It's coming out!
Be me. That was great. That was great, guys. That was great. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, you know. Smash the subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video. Peace. Well done, Be First. You guys have done great and I enjoyed it.